Kids Fun Stories. Mambo the Elephant. Mambo was an elephant, a big elephant. He had a long trunk, two big ears, four strong legs, two white tusks, and one tiny tail. Every day he used to stop at a tailor's shop while going for a bath. The tailor gave him a banana to eat every day. One day, the tailor thought of playing mambo with a needle. Oh, oh, oh! Mambo was very angry. He went to the pond. He put his long trunk in the water and filled it. He came back to the tailor's shop. He sprinkled the water all around. All the clothes in the shop became wet. The tailor cried. Mambo was happy. Mambo had taught him a lesson. Mambo was a clever elephant. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.